Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute chat in Brawl Stars. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I'm currently in the homepage of my phone, and in order to unmute the chat in Brawl Stars, the first thing that you want to do, of course, is to make sure that you have the Brawl Stars app downloaded and installed on your mobile phone. So now let's go ahead and open it up. So here we are inside the game, and I've already got a team created. So what I'm gonna do first is click onto team button right here on this side of the screen, and as you can see here underneath it says text chat muted. So in order to unmute the chat, the next thing that I want to do is to tap onto the online player menu, which is this button up here with a green smiley face. Once you tap on it, your team screen will pop up like this. So what you want to do from here is to take a look at your left hand side of the screen, and then you will see an option that says mute text chat under the personal settings. So all you have to do is to press onto the orange tick box next to it, and now the team chat should be unmuted. So I'm just gonna go back to the team chat window. As you can see now, I'm able to use the text box, so I'm just gonna give it a click and type in hello. So I can show you that it works just fine. So that's it, that's how to unmute chat in Brawl Stars. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.